Hello students, I am Preeta Mohan. Welcome to my channel Frequently Asked Questions and Solutions of Social Science, Class 10 CBSE Board. The video contains chapter and page-wise questions, frequently asked questions, questions from CBSE Board exams, and sample question papers, expected questions from each and every paragraph, source-based questions, picture-based questions, objective type questions, and map work. The paper pattern for social science, 2020-21, there will be 5 sections and 32 questions. History, section 1, events and processes. The first chapter, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Start with figure 1. The questions you can expect from this are, who was Frederick Soria? Soria was a French artist. He prepared a series of 4 prints visualizing the dream of a world made up of democratic and social republics. Examine the significance of the Statue of Liberty in his paintings. The Statue of Liberty is personified as woman bearing the torch of enlightenment in one hand and the Charter of the Rights of Man in the other. Again, question related with this figure. Describe the main features of first print prepared by him in 1848. This question can be seen in almost all the question papers. It shows men and women of all ages of Europe and America offering homage to the Statue of Liberty. Liberty was personified as a female figure with torch of enlightenment in one hand and Charter of Rights of Man in the other. In front of the statue are the shattered remains of symbols of absolutist institution, which shows the end of monarchy. Procession is led by USA and Switzerland, who were nation states at that time. Other people following them are Germany, Austria, states of Sicily, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. Thrice saints and angels gaze upon the scene to symbolize fraternity among the nations of the world. In Sorio's utopian vision, the people of the world were grouped as distinct nations, identified through their flags and national costume. To understand by absolutist, it can be 1 mark question. A government or system of rule that has no restraints or on the power exercised. What is meant by nation state? A state in which rulers and citizens develop a sense of common identity. What is utopian? Utopian is a vision of society that is so ideal that it is unlikely to actually exist. Utopian vision means that it is depicting something idealistic. In what way do you think his print, figure 1, depicts a utopian vision? In Sorio's utopian vision, people of the world are grouped as distinct nations, identified through their flags and national costumes, but all of them did not exist as nations at the time that these prints were made. Differentiate between the concept of nation state and modern state. Now, modern state is a centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory. Nation state is one in which the majority of the citizens and not only the rulers come to develop a sense of common identity and shared history and descent. What is plebiscite? In page number 4, it can be as 1 mark question, MCQ. Plebiscite is a direct vote by which all the people of the region are asked to accept or reject a proposal. How the feeling of nationalism brought sweeping changes in the political and mental world of Europe. The feeling of nationalism led to emergence of nation state in place of multinational dynastic empires of Europe. And what is a multinational dynastic empire? A sovereign state which has many nations under it, but such empire lacks the spirit of commonness of identity. And what are the advantages of a nation? State 1 advantage, the existence of a nation is a guarantee of liberty. Now, in page number 4, source A, You can expect this question. Who was Ernest Renan? Summarize the attributes of a nation as Renan understands them. Why nations are important according to him. Renan was a French philosopher. In the lecture delivered in University of Sorbonne in 1882, he criticized the notion of a nation by others. According to Renan, nations are formed on social capital, that is, common glories and deeds of the past and common will in the present. Nations are formed by not by common language, race, religion, or territory. Nation is a large-scale solidarity, and if anyone has the right to be consulted, it is the inhabitants of the nation. A nation never has real interest in annexing or holding onto a country against its will. That is, it is not imperialistic. Okay? Nations, according to Renan, are important because their existence is a guarantee of liberty, and liberty would be lost if there was only one law and one master. Now, in page number 5, the French Revolution and the idea of nation. First paragraph, you can expect questions like, what was the main aim of the French revolutionaries? The main aim was to create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. They proclaimed. Now, what political and constitutional changes did take place in the wake of French Revolution in 1789? Mentions the proclamation of the French Revolution. The French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from the monarchy to a body of French citizens. The revolution proclaimed that it was the people who would constitute the nation and shape its destiny. Now, in the same page, figure 2, the question related with this figure. Name the journalist who designed the cover of German Almanac in 1798. Andreas Rebmann, who lived in city of Mainz, was the journalist. He was the member of German Jacobean group. The cover of German Almanac designed by journalist Andreas Rebmann in 1798. It is related to French Revolution. It has the image of Bastille prison stormed by revolutionaries in 1789. Bastille Fort represented royal authority, and this violent attack on the government by the people of France signaled the start of the French Revolution. Describe any 5 steps taken by French revolutionaries to create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. This is again an important question. The ideas of La Patrie and Les Citizens emphasize the nation of united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution. A new French flag in the place of former royal standard. The Estates General was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed the National Assembly. New hymns were composed, oaths taken, martyrs commemorated, regional dialects were discouraged. French, spoken and written in Paris, became the common language of the nation. A centralized and administrative system was put in place. It formulated uniform laws for all citizens within its territory. Internal custom duties and dues were abolished. Uniform system of weights and measures was adopted. Describe the events of French Revolution. Now, the events are when the news of French Revolution reached different cities of Europe, students and other members of educated middle class began to set up Jacobean clubs, and the French armies began to carry the ideas of nationalism abroad. Napoleonic Code abolished privileges and upholding equality and other reforms. Exported these ideas to European regions under French control. Napoleonic Code, introduced in 1804, abolishing privileges and upholding equality and other reforms, exported these new ideas to European regions under French control. Now, what were Jacobean clubs? In the same page, page number 5. How did their activities and campaigns help to spread the idea of nationalism abroad? So, Jacobean clubs were political clubs set up by educated middle class and students and educated middle class people joined and made Jacobean clubs. They were inspired by the events in France. They spread the basic idea of freedom of individual, and the activities and campaigns of these clubs paved the way for French armies moved to Holland, Belgium, and Switzerland, and other parts of Italy. With the outbreak of revolutionary wars, the French armies carried the ideas of nationalism in foreign countries. Now, again, one more important question. Napoleon had no doubt destroyed democracy in France, but in administrative field, he had incorporated revolutionary principles. Okay, support the statement. Explain any file. Social and administrative reforms introduced by Napoleon in the regions under his control. So, Napoleon, the Napoleonic Code of 1804, also called Napoleon Civil Code of 1804. The Civil Code of 1804, also called the Napoleonic Code, abolished all privileges based on birth, established equality before law, and gave the right to property. Simplified administrative divisions in the regions under French control like Italy, Germany, Switzerland. Abolished feudal system, freed peasants from serfdom and manorial dues. In towns, guild restrictions came to an end. Uniform weights and measures were adopted. A new common national currency helped in the movement of goods and capital from one region to another. Transport and communication systems were improved. Now, after 1804, how did the artisans, workers, peasants, and new businessmen enjoy newfound freedom in the units of Europe? So, here the Civil Code of 1804 abolished all the privileges based on birth, maintained equality, established right to property, and abolished feudalism. And peasants were freed from serfdom and manorial dues, which raised their confidence. Freedom of market, abolition of internal custom duties, uniform system of weights, improved transport and communication system helped the businessmen to expand their business. This brought prosperity across the classes. Common national currency helped in the movement and exchange of goods and capital. In towns, guild restrictions were removed. Artisans also had a free hand to represent their creations. How did the local people in the areas conquered by Napoleon react to French rule? This is in page number 7. The reactions were mixed. The economic reforms were welcomed by businessmen and small producers of goods. Initially, the French armies were welcomed in Holland, Switzerland, and other cities, but they soon realized that administrative reforms did not go hand in hand with political reforms. The people reacted against increased taxation and censorship. Due to forced recruitment, local people had to serve in the French army. All these seem to overweigh the advantages of administrative changes. Now, in the same page, page number 7, figure 4, question related is, what does it depict? Who painted it? It depicts the planting of the Tree of Liberty in Saarbrücken, Germany. The subject of this print is by German painter Karl Kasper. Again, page number 7, figure 5. Study the picture and answer the question that follows. Which of the following aspect best signify the image of the Courier of Rhineland? Victories of Napoleon, difficulties faced by Napoleon, losses of Napoleon, journey of Napoleon. Answer is losses of Napoleon. On his way back to France, Napoleon is depicted here as a postman after he lost the Battle of Leipzig in 1813. The names of the territories that he lost is mentioned in each letter topping out of his bag. decided to be again defeated, Napoleon was driven back to France. Now, let us discuss some of the objective type questions from page 3 to 7. What do the saints, angels, Christ symbolizes in the utopian vision? In the saints, angels, and Christ symbolize fraternity among nations. Now, nationalism, which emerged as a force in the late 19th century, means what? A strong devotion for one's own country and its history and culture. Match the term with the statements given below. A utopian society it's a society that is unlikely to ever exist, and a society under the control of a chosen few wise men. Ernest Renan believed that the existence of nations is a necessity because it ensures liberty to all inhabitant citizens. The French revolutionaries declared that the mission and destiny of the French nation was to liberate the people of Europe from despotism, that is, from absolute monarchy. The Civil Code of 1804 in France is usually known as Napoleonic Code. The Napoleonic Code was exported to which of the following regions? It was exported to the regions under French control. We have come to the end of this session. Now, please keep watching my videos for the rest of the lesson and the other chapters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All the best.